friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the topic how to gain weight in a healthy way. So whenever we talk about health issues, whenever we talk about weight concerns, weight issues, most of the people and videos tend to focus around how to lose weight. And I'm sure whatever first come to our mind is losing weight. But today I'm here to talk about the section of the people who actually face another problem with the weight, that is being underweight. They want to actually to gain weight. So this is also very concerning that whenever people are underweight, they also tend to be on the risk of other health issues like malnutrition, like loss of bone, like loss of muscle mass. Their immunity decreased due to loss of weight, due to being underweight. There is irregularities in heartbeat. Also in women, it is being seen that they also face irregularities in their menstrual cycle, which is related to hormone fluctuation. So today I'm here to help those section of people. I'm here to actually provide knowledge and to the majority of the section of the people who actually wants to gain weight and tend to go towards a healthy weight gain. So it is seen that whenever people want to gain weight, they tend to incline more towards junk foods, eating out, eating burgers, eating pizzas, because they feel that in this way they can gain weight. Of course, it's true they can gain weight, but it's not a healthy weight gain. It will lead them to going towards obesity, from getting towards the undernutrition, then leading to the obesity. They will also tend to be exposed to more chronic degenerative diseases like heart diseases, because you're eating a lot of saturated fats, you're eating a lot of refined wheat flour. It can also lead to thyroid problems, it can also lead to high blood pressure. So we should not try to gain weight by eating out, by eating junk food, by changing our food habits to which is actually called the bad food habits. So today we will be talking about the healthy ways in which we can gain weight and remain healthy throughout our life. So first of all, you should not skip any of your meals. This is a golden rule to even losing of weight, and even if I talk about gaining of weight. So try and have regularly spaced and frequently spaced meals. You should have your breakfast, you should have your lunch, you should have your equally spaced dinner, you should have your snacks on time. So this is a golden rule to have a healthy weight balance in your life. Secondly, you should add things like smoothies, shakes to your diet, because they are the concentrated source of energy. They will give you an immediate boost of energy with having a concentrated sources. So because it is also seen in people who are underweight, they also don't tend to eat more. उनको ज़्यादा भूख लगती ही नहीं है. So we should eat things that provides you an instant boost of energy with small quantities. So through smoothies and shake you can achieve that. So what kind of ingredients you can top up with your smoothies and shake are, you can add nuts to your smoothies and shake, you can add whole milk to your smoothies and shake, whole milk powder, you can add peanut butter to that. So it will give you a concentrated source of energy and also the good quality proteins in your diet. Now the second thing that you should also focus is to add fats to your diet. Increase the intake of fats. I would not say increase tremendously, but if you are having 5% in your diet, the fats, increase it to maybe 10%. So add ghee and butter to your rotis and the dals that you are eating. Don't, of course you're cooking in that butter and ghee, but you should also add a spoonful onto the top of your ghee and butter, because of course again it will provide you instant boost of energy, and it of course adding to more of weight gain. Now the third thing that you should do is have things which is readily available, which give you an instant boost of energy even if you are out of your home, even if you are at your home. So keep things like nuts, cheese cubes, peanut butter, chocolates, and also some of the very important thing is granola bars handy with you. So whenever you feel hungry, you can quickly grab them up without need of being cooking. You can just eat them up, and that gives you a boost of energy and hence add up to your daily calorie intake. The last thing that I should focus upon, in addition to what we think is a carbohydrate, fats, protein, energy is important, the last thing is of course you should have lots of fruits. But it also depends upon the fruits that give you an instant, again, the boost of energy is mango. is banana, is chiku, grape. So these kind of fruits you should also focus upon and add to your diet. But that doesn't mean that you have peanut butter, cheese or nuts daily. In fact, include these kind of ingredients in your diet in an alternative basis. Like today you can have cheese cubes in your diet, the next day you can have peanut butter into your diet. So these kind of things you should try to gain weight, and of course in a healthy way. The last thing that I would like to recommend, if you are very keen to gain weight on an instant basis, you should actually contact your physical activity trainer and indulge into some kind of strength training to build your muscle mass. So guys, this is it from my side for today. I will bring you more facts about the nutrition in the upcoming videos. So please leave your comments in the comment box. I will be happy to answer your questions or your query anytime. Also request you to please like, share, subscribe my channel, because it motivates me seeing that a lot of people are having interest in whatever communication or things I am giving about the nutrition, and I will be coming up with more videos in near future. So also request you all to please stay safe and stay at your place, taking care of your near and dear ones. Thank you so much.